Welcome to another video from me. Honey, I need to work on that. Yeah, I said that like the last two. So, I'm going to show you in this video my new car. Yes, this is it. My new car. Looks like the Lamborghini. Looks more like the Lamborghini than that. The Zentorno, but the Zentorno looks a lot like the new Lamborghini. Yep, and the Adolux looks like the Bugatti, and this looks like thingy. What's it called? Yes, and I did put purple. Oh my god, I love that. The light on my PS4 controller. Yep, so I do. That's online for you, mate. Oh my god. I can never get anything done, can I? Where am I going? It's up here, isn't it? Okay, this frightens them a lot when they're in like a plane. I shoot this and I like aim it at him. It's so funny. Are they cops? God, there's loads of cops here. Okay, that's a big shot, like just like in my window. And I don't want to go back in, thank you. Oh my god. Hate online people. Love it when I'm on my own, but I also love it when I'm like with my mates. Put in the links below if you have ever actually crashed into another vehicle once you're in your garage, like going out of you. It's pretty fast, not as fast as the Ada and the Zentorno, but it's pretty speedy, yeah. Yep, and this is the tyre. Purple, if you want to get purple, it's pretty nice. Whoa, mate, not cool, that's too close. Too close to my brand new car. Like I only got like a week ago. About a week ago. But I'm not being able to show you it. I will be getting some more money for Christmas. So I'll be getting some new cars, so I'll be doing some reviews on some cars as well. If you want to see them as well. Plus I'm definitely going on GTA when it's Christmas. Because guess what? It snows on GTA. It snows. Now that is good. Okay, I love this car though. It goes so fast. Did I just scratch my car? No, I didn't. Yeah, I did. There you guys. Yeah, but it's really nice, this car. It's only about 440k. 440. I just saved up for this. I didn't buy money. It's pretty easy to save up. Now that is messed up now. Not as messed up as I had it yesterday, but that was messed really bad yesterday. Literally almost just got it in my garage just before it was about to explode. That's how bad it was. What you doing, chicken runner? Chicken runner, chicken runner. I do like the fact that it's got like the back is like a lot different to the front. Well, that's a bit messed up. So Yeah, so the back is a lot different to the front. So it's like you're looking at one car and then you see like another photo of the exact same car and then you're like, no way, that's not the same car. It doesn't look like the same car, does it? Back, front. Back, doesn't look like it, does it? So I'm going to go out in my, how much money do I have? Yeah, so that's the speed of it, or like 4 bars. That's that speed of the adder. 4 bars in a little bit, and that's the exact same as the adder. Wait, I think that's, yeah, the exact same. How much is this one? 4 bars. I think that's actually quite fast. 3 and a bit. 3 and a bit. 2 and a bit. 4 and a bit. 4. I do like the allergies because they go quite fast, and you can get them for free. So let's see. Oh 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 oh. Do 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 do. This is for you, lads. Bang. So let's do this. No way. Chicken. Quack, quack, quack. Freak out. Do, 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 do. Yeah. Smoke. Smoke weed over there. What, you don't want to smoke? What? No. Oh, you want some of that though, don't you?